All right, the next step is one of the most exciting features in the snapshot, and those are these LinkTree pages. So the ones that you find in funnels are completely customizable. I'll show you guys how to customize them, but we also wanted to give you some pre-designed pages as well. So if you go to websites, you'll find these pre-designed LinkTree pages, and you can go ahead and open. These are the different designs. Go ahead and look through them and see which one you like the most, and you can go ahead and choose that design. You can change up the colors a bit, and there you go, you're ready to go. But if you choose to do the customizable ones, let me go ahead and walk you through that. So you open up. So on the link tree, you have 4 buttons, and we just want, during our customization process, we just want to define what the name of the button is going to be and the URL behind it. So in order to do that, go ahead and navigate over to step 5, set up link tree. And here, you can put like website or visit our website. And then the second button can be schedule a call. Maybe buy now, like your checkout page, or FAQs, anything like that. And then underneath you would put the links of all of those. So for our website, put .com, and for the schedule, I would go to calendars and grab the main calendar link and come back and paste it here. Buy now, there's if that is what you would like to do. And of course, these, I'm just giving you guys examples. You can choose whatever you would like it to be. I'm going to take the checkout page. And all right, so when you go ahead and do, so that will update the buttons for you. So now when I've refreshed, all the button names and links have been updated. So there you can see at the bottom where each of these is going right here. And then these a link to your the social media profiles that we had set up earlier. Now, the fun part, we can design each of our Linktree pages. There's 5 different Linktree pages that you have in here, and you can put a different design for each one of them. So here you can put an image, a color, a gradient code, whatever you want. I'll show you guys how to do each one. So for my color, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and choose like a light green. So you just paste the hex code here. Oops. And then press save. And then for the image, one cool hack is if you go to settings, media, you can pick any background that you want and upload it into the media library, get link, but you can also go, there's already pre-built backgrounds here. So if you like any one of these, you do the same thing, press get link. And you would paste that here. And you can do similar thing for any one of them. Let's see, let's do something a little bit more calm. All right, so now that you've decided what you want your backgrounds to be, go ahead and refresh your pages. You'll see the updated design. So there you go. Now when we scroll through, we have our third design with the background. Here is the background gradient, and here is a solid color. So you have a lot of freedom, a lot of flexibility when it comes to these Linktree pages. You can design them to be in any way that you want, and it's a great value add for your customers because they can throw this up right on their social media. They can cancel their Linktree subscription, and they're all ready to go. Here by default, the company logo comes in, but you guys can customize this to put a person's image in there, like a headshot, or keep it as a logo. So yeah, those are your Linktree pages. You have lots to choose from: the pre-designed one in the websites area and the customizable ones in the funnels area.